is going on. There's a lot happening. My chair is squeaking like there's no tomorrow. Anyways, today I have a day off, and so we've been selling stuff on Depop. We've been getting some sales, surprisingly. I'll like link it everywhere, but there was a few items that haven't sold, and I just figured I could upcycle them, make them look a little bit cuter, see if they sell. This little Levi's, it has like a cute little like heart-shaped tank. I was gonna leave it like that, but I thought this lace was so cute. So I'm experimenting with putting some on the little sleeves like that. I think that would just make it so much cuter. It was just like a little short cap sleeve. If I have extra and if I have the patience, maybe it'll also go like back here. I don't know, I just think like it'd make it so much cuter. Thing. This was a Brandy shirt, and it was actually a long sleeve collar, but ain't nobody wanted a long sleeve collar. Also, this top part right here, I went a little too hard with the seam ripper. I just serged like the inside, folded it in, and then I couldn't find my twin needle, and then I was just too lazy also, so I just did a zigzag stitch. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? There you go. It looks pretty good. It looks finished. It's done. Other thing, this. I can't believe this did not sell. It's a New York, I think it's tie-dye, and tie-dye is like not really in season right now. I'm thinking of making a cute little tote bag. You know, like those cute little Trader Joe's bags, and then just keeping the New York like a part of it, and then maybe with the tie-dye stuff in the back, seeing if I can make a halter. In case you guys wanted to see, I'm like measuring this out to make a tote bag. Look at what I'm using to cut. Like literally my legs. Like I don't have a fancy schmancy table. I'm just like you guys. Okay, so here's the final tote bag. We have this, and then that's one pocket. The straps are pretty long, and then we have a pocket on the inside. I really like how it came out. I didn't film any of it because my camera was charging, but I don't hate it. I really like it. I'm thinking if this tote sells well, I might do a tote drop because I have a whole bunch of graphic tees that I could just do this. And then I have this fabric in this like blue black color, like blue navy color. It's like a dark navy, almost black. And then I have it in a red. So then I can see how many totes I can do, and I can do like a tote drop on my Depop. But yeah, I want to post this one first to see. And then let me show you what I did with the scraps so far. I started draping this. So this is literally with the scraps of that t-shirt. I'm going to do a halter top. And so far I've kind of just like scrunched this up. I'm thinking this might have like a little like a open like keyhole type of thing. I think that's what it's called. And then yeah, it's just gonna be like a halter top, like a band all the way around, and then I'll figure out the part on top. I don't have that many scraps left. Let me show you. I only have like these left, so I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll like this is literally all I have left, so I might have to like piece some stuff together. Like I'm thinking piecing the sleeves to make like the back band, and then seeing if I can piece these to make like the thing. The good thing is that this is knit, so it's pretty like workable, but I don't know. But yeah, right now I'm doing this guy, so it's like the other side of the halter, and I'm scrunching it, and then I'm watching Snow White and the Huntsman. But yeah, that's what I've been doing so far. I thought I'd share that. So if you have a Depop and you want to start selling stuff, or maybe things aren't selling, start with stuff in your closet, see if you can make them cute, and then voila. And then I'll keep you guys updated to see if they actually sell. Okay, that's it for now. This is the reality of what people look like when they're actually sewing, okay? So if you didn't know that, now you know. Can you turn that shit off?
Oh, damn. This one.
Anyways, this is it.
Can I see your library? What book I can read?
Yeah, it's in the hallway. The book? Those are all new. Don't touch those. I have an inside library, which is just for me. These are all my new books. And then I have an outside library, which is out there that anybody could read. And Natalie always tries to get the ones in here. No, bitch.